Okay. Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you a very fruitful day and welcome to my channel. As you know, we already started a discussion on planning concepts. So today I'm going to talk about characteristics of planning. Planning is a systematic approach which determines when, how, and who is going to perform a specific job. In that specific job, planning holding special characteristics. So let's see some of them. Planning is an intellectual process. Planning is always based on goals and objectives. It decides on the appropriate activities considering the positive and negative consequences of achieving them. It also involves mental exercise, intuition, imagination, and it has ability to analyze. So it is considered as an intellectual process because of the preconceived notion. Planning contributes to the objectives. Planning is very helpful in achieving project objectives. Effective planning solves problems, completes the project successfully, and easily achieves the objectives. So plans act as a guide for deciding what we should do and in which direction. Planning is a primary function of management. Planning is a basic process of management as it is a guide to administration, service, and organization. It is the starting point of the whole management process. And all other management functions are related to the planning. Planning is a continuous process. Planning is a continuous process that can't mark an end. It collects, evaluates, and identifies new needs based on changing circumstances. Plans are prepared for a specific period of time. It may be for a month, a quarter, or a year. And at the end of that period, there's a need for a new plan to be come up on the basis of new requirements and future conditions. Planning involves decision making. Decision making is an element of planning. It helps to select the most suitable option from the various options. Decision making, organizing, leading, and controlling, that all are interconnected with planning. It's a goal-oriented. Planning achieves project objectives well. It enables rapid achievement of desired goal and objective with socioeconomic and financial benefits. Planning is looking forward. Planning constantly carries out future-oriented activities and it makes assumptions about the future. It is just like a psychological process of thinking and deciding in advance about basically what to do and how to do. So planning is looking forward and predicting the future. Planning is designed for efficiency. It achieves the objective of a project at minimal cost, eliminates waste of resources, and utilizes resources optimally. Therefore, planning manages time, money, and labor. Planning is flexible. Planning is done for the uncertain future. Although it has goals, objectives, deliverables, a team, and a schedule, there can be unexpected matters that come out while implementing. Therefore, planned tasks have to undergo changes based on changing nature. The planning for such an approach follows a flexible approach. Planning is a mental exercise. Since planning is a psychological practice, optimal imagination is required. It can make assumptions and projections about the future accurately by scrutinizing the environment. So there must be a high level of intelligence for this task. Planning provides directions. Planning consists of pre-arranged activities. It provides accurate information and advice to the staff and team to manage works and face to uncertainties. It reduces risk and uncertainties. Through planning, project managers can make predictions about the future situation in advance by meticulous observation of the project. Then they can take appropriate steps to deal with future uncertainties. Although mishappenings and unexpected things cannot be eliminated completely, but the effort which managers and the team taken to take right away, it will be given a successful end to the project or organization. Planning reduces overlapping and waste. A plan of an organization includes activities of all departments. It ensures the clarity of the activities, thus preventing duplication and wastage by enabling staff to work according to a combined plan. Planning promotes innovative ideas. As you already know, planning is an intellectual process with high thinking. So there is a scope for applying advanced ideas, optimal strategies, formal methods, and procedures to perform a task. Planning process encourages managers to think differently and motivate to come up with new ideas and creativity. Planning makes proper coordination. Planning always involves the three elements: a vision, an agenda with set of priorities, scale of operation. Therefore, it coordinates between all sections of the organization or all components of the project to enable the short-term, medium-term, and long-term plans for well implementation. It is establishing goals. Planning process giving priority to setting goals. Realistic goals are direct to form smart objectives and help to overcome the challenges of an organization. Setting goals are very important. Why? It helps to compare the end result with the expected outcome. Comparison is useful for future plans. Team building. Once the plan is drawn up, all the employees in the organization are responsible and the teams are formed for each task. By giving these groups a realistic understanding of the organization goals and objectives, it is possible to create team spirit, minimize conflict, and lead the organization towards the desired goal and objectives. It creates competitive advantage. While planning, it is possible to look realistically through SWOT analysis. This will enable them to attract new customers for their products by creating local and foreign market opportunities that are characteristics of competing organizations. In project management, SWOT analysis helps us to plan out our project and show considerable factors on it. Also, it identifies risk areas as well as controllable factors that we need to pay very careful attention and monitor throughout the project. Okay, with more knowledge on another important topic, let's see again. Thank you.